Hello guys, welcome back to another inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to use Pixelfed app. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're wondering how to use Pixelfed here, well, this one is fairly easy. So let's go open up the Google Play Store here, install Pixelfed, which in this case, I'm already assuming you already installed this on your mobile device. Let's go and click on open. Now, in order for you to get started with Pixelfed here, you first need to create your account or log in into your account. So go ahead and click on login here, and from here you want to go ahead and basically select your servers. Now there are going to be a lot of servers you could choose from here, so go ahead and choose whichever server you want to use. So in my case, I want to basically use the most amount of people here in that server. It's going to be quite crowded. Let's go and click on the login option here, and from here go and choose your browser. Now, from here, what we need to do is we need to basically log in into our account. Now, if you don't have an account yet, you could go and click on register here. And from here, you just need to fill out some details for your account, which in this case, that includes your name, username, email address, password, and confirmation of your password. And also, you need to be at least like 16 years old in order for you to use this platform. So go ahead and provide all those details and click on register. Now, once you've created your account here, it will send you a confirmation email. So in this case, just click on or search for the email itself and click on confirm email and open up your browser. Now from here on, just wait for it to fully load up, but in this case, let's go ahead and go back to our previous page here and open up Pixelfed itself. Let's go ahead and click on log in again. And in this case, we just need to provide our login details. Now, from here on, it's just going to ask authorize Pixelfed for Android. Let's go and click on authorize. And in this case, that should start or allow you to start using the app itself. Now, just to give you some idea here, Pixelfed is quite similar to Instagram. So with the UI itself is quite similar. So this is our homepage. So with posts that you'll be seeing here, you have the heart option or the like option here. You also have the comment section. You can go and click on comments here or view all comments if you want to view them or if you want to basically comment on it itself. And also, as you can see, we can change a few things, like you can make your comment private, public, or even unlisted. You can also enable the CW option here, and you can basically post it at the bottom right. Now, you could also adjust a few things, like for example, you could share this specific post if you click on the three dotted option, view the post, view the profile for this specific post, or even view this on your browser. Now, if you click on the people option here at the very bottom, it actually shows you your local feed, which in this case, you can view content from your local feed here if you want to view them. Now, if you want to view the discover page here, which in this case is a great way for you to discover content from other people. So in this case, it would showcase popular accounts, trending tags here. So again, it's just basically a way for you to start discovering content. Now, if you click on the person icon or single person icon at the bottom right, this is where your profile is. Now, you can edit your profile, view your content that you've posted, what you've liked before, and also what you've saved before, just in case you saved something in what you saw on your feed. Now, you can even share this. So you can go and click on the share at the top right here to share this to other people, just in case. And also, if you want to access your settings at the top right, that's the 3-bar icon, you should be able to access this setting. So you can edit your avatar, your bio, the display name, your collection, follow the hashtags, accessibility, and appearance here, and even edit the permissions for your push notifications. Now, if you want to post something, you go and click on the plus button at the bottom right of the screen and basically share your moment. You can even add photos. You can take photos via the section itself, but you can even click on the settings icon on the top left here if you want to enable media editor here, which allows you to crop and resize photos using square aspect ratio. So to disable, if you want to preserve the native aspect ratio here, disable this option. But yeah, so basically it's quite similar to Instagram, but with just a few changes itself. So there are going to be some changes and differences here. But in this case, that's how you start using Pixelfed. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.